Well, for college students, decorating your dorm by adding plants is not only a great way to add life and spruce up your space, it's also a healthy way to live away from home. Garden Guy Dale Kay joins us now with some great ideas of how to spruce up the dorm. If mom and dad are listening, they can get some ideas of what to bring because everybody's moving in soon. Good morning, Dale.
Good morning, Dawn. When I think about back to school shopping, there's really nothing more inviting maybe than going to a garden shop and picking out some plants, because I can only get so excited about picking out pens and maybe sheets that fit some sort of funky bed size. You know, there's only so much enjoyment out of that. But of course, plants are a great part of that, accessorizing and sprucing up your dorm room, and they do have some great health benefits as well. So let's take a look firstly about the health benefits as we look at some of these lovely plants. Firstly, they release oxygen, so that's super important, and they also scrub your surroundings or scrub the air of carbon dioxide as well. So if you're in a small space, a small dorm, that is super important, and that in turn, that extra oxygen will help you concentrate better. It will improve your mood. You'll be more likely to be engaged, and then also just your general well-being. And then also, they may actually help cure homesickness as well. Maybe if you're going out and you got a freshman and you want to go out and do a little bit of plant shopping, taking care of those things, picking out those plants together would be really beneficial as well. So, of course, what really is most important, all these plants are super, super low maintenance because, yes, college life is busy, and the last thing you want to do is take care of a lot of plants. So let's take a look at some of my favorites that really do fit that bill of being super hardy. This first one here is a Hoya. It's a variegated Hoya, and any of the Hoyas are super popular right now, and absolutely a nice little plant, trails quite nicely, super hardy. This next one here, up here, is ZZ, again super hardy. It has actually like a bulbous root that it stores a lot of moisture in, so it's almost indestructible when it comes to watering. A plant that's super popular with kids these days is Ponytail Palm. It's this kind of furry one right here. Again, stores a lot of moisture in this section of the plant. That also makes it super durable. Spider plants, very common. You can actually even grow those. They actually have babies, so you can put the little babies into a little jar of water and propagate them and have little spider plants all over your dorm room. Alocasias are hardy. This Ficus Audrey right here is hardy as well. And then also any of the succulents, I have a cylindrical plant here. Then there is this one here, which is Zabrina, and it has a really funky kind of flower. I don't know if you can see that right there. It has a really cool flower right there, so really fun plant. Any of the peperonias are really hardy. The watermelon, I've got frost, I've got red siam as well. All these types of peperonias, super popular with young kids right now as well. And then if you're a string of anything, and I have a few different strings, the string of pearls right here, this one here, oh, it's my favorite. It's string of turtles. The back of the leaf actually looks like a turtle back. That is so cool. I love that plant. Then also string of dolphins here. These little plants look like dolphins are just like skipping or just jumping out of the water. What an adorable plant. And they hang as well, so if you just want to hang out in the dorm, they work really well. And of course, all your pothos and then monstera as well. A little bit of care goes a long way, so make sure you pack a watering can. And then if you want to have a hanging plant, look at this. This will be fun, if I can get this to work. If you want to save on space, there we go. You can kind of hang out with your plants as well. And then if you want to light up your dorm as well, look at those little starry lights. You can put little lights on your plants, and then Bob's your uncle. Oh no, head first. There you go, little boy, you're okay. You can hang out with all those, brighten them up. And then as far as little pots, there's those pots that have holes in them. They're the ones that you pot into. What I like to recommend for college kids is use just these little, we call them drop-in pots. There's no hole there, so what you do is you just have a lovely little decorated pot, and then when you water, take it out, pop it back in, just like that. So fun. College will be so much fun with these.
Well,
I'm excited. I almost want to go back to school.
Right? You're making it fun. You could bring dolphins and turtles, and I like the watermelon plant there too, Dale. How unique. Cool. I never would have thought. Hey, I just have to clarify though. So how many times do we need to water a week then, in general, for most of these plants?
I would say once a week.
That's awesome.
Thereabouts.
Okay, I can handle that too, and I'm not in college. Thank you, Dale. Appreciate it.